Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the sprinkler and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to purchase the sprinkler from the gear shop. You can purchase either the common sprinkler, uncommon sprinkler, or the legendary, or rare, or the super sprinkler. The most OP sprinkler and grow a garden. And I've already purchased the uncommon sprinkler. Okay, this one. And after you have the sprinkler, you need to plant your seed first. Clear any existing grown fruits from your target plants and plant your most valuable seed together in a compact layout. And then you just need to place the sprinkler. I'm gonna use it for this dragon's breath because this is my most valuable seed. Okay, just place it directly next to or in the center of your plants. Make sure that the visual water spray covers all of your target crops. And for me, I'm just going to use it for this dragon's breath. Okay. And for the sprinkler method or sprinkler strategy, guys, you can stack multiple sprinklers. If you have multiple tiers of sprinkler, overlap their range on the exact same patch of plants, the growth and log multipliers stack together. But here I only have one. Just to demonstrate how to use sprinkler. But if you have multiple sprinklers, I would like to recommend you to stack them for the best result. Okay guys, and that's all about the sprinkler and grow garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.